Shifting focus now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday was conferred with Brazil's highest civilian award, the Grand Collar of the National Order of the Southern Cross. Now, this honor was presented by Brazilian President in recognition of Indian Prime Minister's notable contributions to strengthening bilateral relations and also enhancing India-Brazil cooperation across key global platforms. Now, viewers, India and Brazil signed about 6 agreements during Prime Minister Modi's state visit, covering cooperation in several areas, including security, digital infrastructure, renewable energy, agriculture, and also intellectual property. Now, the agreements included a pact on combating international terrorism and transactional organized crime as well, along with a memorandum on the exchange of large-scale digital solutions to support digital transformation. Now, both countries also agreed to collaborate in renewable energy and agricultural research with an MOU signed between Brazil's Embrapa and also India's Council of Agricultural Research. An agreement was also signed for exchange and mutual protection of classified information between the two countries. Additionally, an MOU on intellectual property was also inked between India's Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, along with Brazil's Secretariat of Competitiveness and Regulatory Policy under the Ministry of Development, Industry, Trade and Services. Now, viewers, India and Brazil also announced the establishment of a ministerial-level mechanism to monitor trade, commerce, investment between the two countries. Several agreements signed between Prime Minister Modi's state visit to Brazil.